Well, just like you saw, guys, dogs aren't the only pets I have. I also have these little ladies, chickens. And just like the dogs, you know, we own dogs, we own chickens. We give our dogs treats, we give our cats treats. Well, my little ladies, they like treats too. And I like to reward them for the great job they do on providing eggs. And I want to show you guys what my treat of choice is that these ladies absolutely love. Let's check it out. Here's my favorite treat for the chickens. Black soldier fly larvae. The chickens absolutely love this. It's a wonderful treat. And let me show you exactly. They already know I have it because they saw the bag in my hand. Come on, little ladies. Hey, here. I like to spread it around the ground so they can have fun with it. But that is a treat they absolutely love. And the other ones haven't caught on to it yet. But here they come. I can hear them. Oh, they're flying over. Yeah, GRUB TERRA. Great snack and treat. Here they all come. Great little ladies. Let's see if they gave me some eggs. Yep. They're such good birds. And that's why I like to give them a little treat. Right, little lady? You like little treats? You didn't lay an egg today. I know you didn't lay an egg. Alright, guys. Don't go away from this video just yet, because I got something special for all of you out there that are watching this. Alright, I'm back in the house. It was a little chilly outside. But let's see what the nutrition is on these here. They are good for eggs, much better laying. They're great for the feathers. Great source of protein. Look at that, 75% more calcium than mealworms. That's pretty awesome. And like you guys saw, the chickens love it. And if you go to GRUB.com, I will put the link in the description box below. I will also give you 10% off if you use this code GRUB10 at checkout, and you can buy anything from the website GRUB.com, and at checkout just use the code GRUB10 and you get 10% off. Guys, head over there and give your pets a nice little treat for Christmas. GRUB TERRA, great job.